So today I am, well, in a 4-day private tour, and today is waterfall of the north, meaning Aldeyjarfoss, Hrafnabjargarfoss, which is this one here, Dettifoss and Goðafoss. At least 3 of those we will do today. Maybe we'll do Goðafoss tomorrow for sunrise. The weather is unpredictable. Okay, it wasn't supposed to be a little better, but this is what we got, so this is what we will work with. We were gonna start at Aldeyjarfoss. This is our first stop today. We were gonna start at Aldeyjarfoss, but it was kind of a blizzard when we got there. It's an important waterfall, so we took a chance, came here first, and then after that we will go to Aldeyjarfoss. The ride up here was well, heavy. We have this massive super jeep, and our driver is a Viking from ancient times. I definitely, if you want to do this trip, well, maybe in a little bit better weather than now, but anyway, I definitely recommend this guy if you want to do this. What's your name?
My name is Thor.
Thor. And what's your company? How can people reach you?
It's ICEAK, and so the webpage is ICEAK.is.
ICEAK.is. Put it on the screen. If you want something extreme, he can take care of you. Like always, it's like when you don't have the perfect conditions, you just do what you can with the conditions you have, because that's all you can do. If you spend all your time being pissed off because it wasn't like it was supposed to be or like you hoped it would be, you're never going to get anything good, because it's never going to be like that. So work with what you got, and here is what I got at this waterfall. So we have now arrived at Aldeyjarfoss. The weather hasn't really improved, but you know, it is what it is. It's a beautiful thing. I wanna get your attention to this rock wall over there. These are basalt columns. They're always amazing, they're always really nice to shoot in the summer, but the added texture you get from the snow is really cool. So there's a lot of details here, but of course the money shot that everybody gets here is this one. It's a nice shot, but you know, everybody has it, so we might as well try to do something a little different. So let's see what we can get, and then we will move on. So we made it to Dettifoss, one of the greatest waterfalls in the world. The drive here was difficult. The walk the rest of the way was difficult, but it's all worth it. The weather, difficult, but who cares? This is amazing. It is now the day after yesterday. Yeah. And we are now at the Aldeyjarfoss, waterfall of the gods in North Iceland. Weather is still not cooperating, but it is a beautiful winter morning. There's no sun, there's white skies, but fresh snow everywhere. Waterfall is absolutely beautiful, frozen partly. You don't need sun. You don't need sunrises. This is also good. If you're in Iceland, especially traveling in North Iceland, sunrises is rare. Yeah, this is what you should aim for, because this is probably what you're gonna get. Unless you're one of those people that changes skies, you know, put sunrise in where there was no sunrise, or yeah, you know, why not just put Northern Lights or Milky Way? Put everything. If you're one of those guys, I don't know. Good for you. But in these conditions, let's see how I do in trying to work with the mood I have, trying to work with the conditions I have to create something nice. So we are now at the other side of Aldeyjarfoss, which is amazing also, but well, first of all, I forgot my camera in the car. I brought all my other shit, my backpack and my heavy ass tripod, with no camera, but that's okay. I have photos of this. Clients have their camera, so that's what counts. But here's my, well, the thing is with north of Iceland, it has somewhat, well, much more snow than we have in the south. And they are struggling sometimes with getting their fair share of winter travel in Iceland. But we who operate this, we have a problem with this sometimes. For example, they just don't clear the roads often enough. It's very difficult to drive here. And you can see the walking path is just completely buried. And there's a huge overhang at the waterfall, which makes it dangerous to go closer. And there's and there's a huge overhang over there at the river, which makes it dangerous to go closer. And some people can do it, but not everybody can deal with walking on these paths. So, people of the north, if you want more tourists, you need to do a better job. But with that, this video is done. I'm going to Reykjavik. This is the last day of this 4-day private tour with two great women. One is from Luxembourg, the other is from Australia. They are tough. They are one of the toughest people I ever took on a photo trip. Weather's been crazy sometimes, never complain, always out and shoot in every weather. They just walk where I tell them to walk. Complain a little bit, you know, but that's normal. But it's been amazing. So, thank you for watching and goodbye.